questions to ask your realtor when you're a buyer. How long is it that you end up taking from the time you actually meet at a first initial meeting to the time you're actually closing on the house? Now, I'm not talking about the typical mortgage process, but how many homes do you end up having to see? How long is that process going to take? Is the realtor really sending you the listings that you really want to see? Are you getting in the area that you want? Some realtors will be glad to send you MLS listings, but they may not exactly be what you're looking for. And even when you're out showing the house, if the realtor's not listening to what you want to end up hearing, even when you're out showing the house, if your realtor's not listening to you and responding to what you're wanting, sometimes, even when you're out showing the house, if the realtor's not listening and changing up what they're sending you so it better fits what you're trying to get, you may have not found the right realtor. Make sure that realtor is actually listening to you and able to find you a house as fast as possible. Now, in this market, it's kind of crazy because there's a lot of lack of areas. In this market, there's a lot of homes out there. In this market, there's not a lot of homes out there. So what you have to do is you have to be able to find the house, find it quickly, and find the right house. And if you're looking in the wrong neighborhoods because the realtor's not helping you out, you may have found the wrong realtor.